welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you this cute Scarecrow card that I made. It's super simple and I'm excited to show you how I did it. So we're going to begin here with a standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card base. And what I'm doing is I'm taking the circle from the Magic Iris die and I'm going to cut that out of some green paper. I just wanted the larger circle just to kind of give a little bit of interest to the card and to give more of a focal point. And for me, I kept this fairly simple. I used stamp sets from Thanks a Bushel and also the Scarecrow and some of the accessories from Happy Harvest. And later on, you will see me use the Grassy Border by Lawn Fawn as well. So I'm just taking the grassy border here, I'm going to paste it to the bottom of my card base here, and then you'll see me play around with this circle a little bit. It was kind of a challenge to figure out where I wanted it to go, and eventually I kind of ended up in the middle of the card, and I will move that up and down as I usually do just to kind of get my design in place. And I really liked the look of this dark brown ribbon against the green background, so I added it here on the bottom of the circle, and then I'm going to move the circle to be on top of the ribbon, just so that it kind of overlaps. Now I have my little bowl of goodies here. It's just pre-colored images. I kind of just pull them before I create anything. I also added the mice from Merry Mice, and he's going to be holding a little apple there. They'll be sharing it with a crow. And I also was playing around with that wagon and the pumpkins, but I thought it was too much fall all in one card front. So if that's possible, I just kept with the simpler version, and I just kept with the mice and the crow. Now I'm just getting ready to add my sentiment. This one simply says, "Thanks a bushel." Super cute. I just did it very simply with black Memento ink on brown craft cardstock. And here's my completed card. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you have a wonderful day.